Hi guys, what's up? For those of you who've been here, thank you so much for your support and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Pratiksha Kaushik. I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing a fun Myntra haul. Now I'm calling this fun because the fun factor to this haul is inspired from Pinterest. I was looking up some outfit inspirations on Pinterest and I just thought I'd pick out a few outfits that I really like and look up these pieces on Myntra and see if I could find them, see if I could recreate these outfits. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. These are the outfits that I picked out and I'm going to be showing you all the pieces that I picked which are kind of similar to these outfits. I'm going to be trying it out for the first time on camera and showing you if the recreation was a success or it was a fail. So I think it's going to be a super fun video. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Now before we get into the video, request you all to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday. So yeah, now without making this intro any longer, let's just get into the video. So the first outfit is this one. It's a blue striped shirt dress. It's a fit and a flare dress, so it's fitted from the top and it's flared at the bottom, and she's accessorized it with a white sling bag. So let's see what I got from Myntra. I was surprised that I found almost the same piece. It's exactly the same. And I was surprised because I didn't think I would find this so easily. So this is what it looks like. It is collared. It has buttons from the top to the bottom. Now the only difference between this piece and the piece in the picture is that this has a little bit of a white pattern to it which is not there in the picture, but I think that's okay. It is 3/4 sleeves. The sleeves have buttons as well, which is the same in the picture. It is flared at the from the waist, so it is flared at the bottom. It is fitted on the top, and it's cotton. The material feels amazing. The quality is really good. And this costed me about 879 rupees, which is pretty good because I think for a dress like this it's really good because you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It can also be worn in formal occasions. So I think quality wise and everything, it's a thumbs up for me. I will try it on and let's how the fit is. Now the bag, what is there in the picture, so I got this one. Now it is the exact same shape. The structure of the bag is the same, except for the buckle. The buckle is a little different. So in the picture she has a vertical buckle which you have to like press and it opens, but this is like a horizontal buckle but the same gold detailing. And in the picture she's wearing something with a golden strap. I got one with a white strap, which I think is okay, and this costed me about 849 rupees, which also I think is pretty decent for the quality of it. I'm gonna try both of these and get back to you about whether it's a success or a failure. Okay, so I think the previous outfit was a success. I think it looks really good. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it in formal occasions. I'm really happy about how it turned out because I was skeptical if I could find a similar piece like that. So the next outfit is this one. It's a blue paper bag jeans with black full sleeved round neck top and a pair of white sneakers. I was surprised how the top was really difficult to find on Myntra. I did not find a full sleeve basic t-shirt. It was so difficult, but yeah, so I just got something similar which is 3/4 sleeves and has kind of a similar neck. So I got this t-shirt. It's 3/4 sleeves. It seems like cotton again. It is from this brand called Rego, and this was really inexpensive. It was like $3.99, which is great. So yeah, so this is what I got. The neckline is not exactly round. It's like a square neck, and then it has this you know, like a high neck here, so it has a square cut, and it feels like cotton. About the fit, I don't know, I haven't tried it on again, so I'm going to try it on and show it to you. I also found the right jeans. Like, the paper bag jeans are pretty much in trend, so I wasn't surprised that I found the exact same thing. So this is what it looks like. It has the paper bag waist, and it is like wash denims. And the only difference is this has pockets in the front, whereas the one she's wearing in the picture has pockets on the sides. Material is amazing. This was for about rupees 1039 if I'm not wrong, and I think this is the only thing that crossed 900. Everything else is below 900, but it's okay because it's jeans. They're usually expensive. So this is from the brand Sassafras, and although it says large here, I got a size 32. I really like the feel of the denim. I don't know about the comfort. I haven't tried it on. I will wear it and tell it to you. For the shoes, I didn't buy one because I already have a pair of white sneakers. Now let's try all these three things and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I think the previous outfit was a success. I really like how it looks. I think this can be worn on a casual errand day, or if you're just going out for like shopping, or if you're just going out for like an airport look. I think it's a really nice, comfortable look. It screams comfort to me, and I was really happy with how it turned out. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is this one, where she's wearing an olive green tapered pants, and she's wearing a blue horizontal striped t-shirt, and she's carrying a white sling bag with a pair of brown footwear. Let's just look at the pieces that I bought looking at this outfit. Okay, so for the top, the t-shirt, this is what I got. This is from the brand Dressberry, which I think is a really nice brand. I really like the quality of the clothes that they have. Although the stripe color is not the same, it's not the same blue. I wasn't able to find a dark blue horizontally striped, but I think the spacing is similar. The cut of the sleeves is similar. It is again cotton, perfect for summers. This was really inexpensive. It was like 240 rupees. I really like how it feels. I don't know how it fits though. I will try it on and show it to you, but I really like how it feels. Yeah, so this is the top. So for the bottom, surprisingly I found the same color. I found the same waistline, which is like, again, it was like paper bag. But now looking at the pant, I think the pant is a little flared. It's not tapered. In the picture she's wearing a tapered pant. So, but let's just try and see how this will be. This feels more of a polyester material. I'm not a fan of this material actually, so I don't know how it's going to feel on the skin. I don't think it is a perfect for summers. So this costed me about $7.99, which I think is pretty decent for a bottom wear. For the white sling bag, I'm again going to be using the same sling bag that I used in the first outfit. Let's put them on and let's see how it goes. Okay, honestly I did not like the outfit that much, but I think a tapered pant would make a difference, so I am going to also link the tapered pant if you want to check it out. I think the third outfit was a fail for me. I don't like how it looks. I don't like the fit of the pant, and yeah, it just didn't speak to me. The material of the pant, the fit of the pant, I honestly don't like it. So that's about it for today's video, and I am going to be linking all these in the description box below, so if you want to check out any of these outfit pieces, you could go ahead and check them out. That's about it for today's video. I think 2 out of 3 outfits were a success, and I honestly didn't like how the last one fit, but I think it was a good try. I had so much fun doing this recreation. So if you enjoyed watching this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. And yeah, see you in my next video. Same time, same place. Bye.